My name is Texan, and I'm here to present to you the solar-powered sensor drone, which is aimed to help the farmer know the amount of crops on his land, know the soil fertility, the soil humidity, and also know when to do irrigation on his farm. Imagine a world where farming is more sustainable, effective, and connected.
Most farmers in Africa, especially in Ghana, still rely on the traditional method of farming, which may not be so efficient when it comes to collecting data about their farm. So with the drone technology, we are trying to kind of provide an efficient solution by collecting accurate data and more reliable data where farmers can rely on good decision making.
But now, a game-changing solution emerges. We bring to you the solar-powered farm sensor drone. This is going to change the way we cultivate on our land. These cutting-edge drones will be equipped with state-of-the-art technology, collecting crucial data on soil moisture, temperature, and crop health, and any other factors essential for crop growth. With these drones, they are going to provide the farmer with real-time insights, enabling them to make well-informed decisions and optimize their farming practices.
Our business model combines both the hardware and the software solutions, and we offer affordable leasing options for the drones and try and provide a user-friendly data analytics platform for farmers to access and analyze the data collected. Drone technology is greatly advancing and is having a positive impact in every aspect of our lives. We will try to use this technology to help agricultural practices in Ghana. We will partner with governments through the Ministry of Agric, the NGOs, and the local farming communities to have workshops to teach them on how to use this technology and also provide training programs on how to understand the data collected from the technology.
Our solution aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. That's the Goal 2, Zero Hunger, and Goal 13, Climate Action. By empowering farmers with data-driven insights, we contribute to food security and environmental sustainability.
It's time to embrace the future of farming. Join us on this journey and unlock the potential of the solar-powered farm sensor drones to increase productivity, reduce costs, promote sustainable agriculture. Together, let's cultivate a brighter future for agriculture, benefiting the farmers, communities, and the planet.